I say this with all my heart and soul. Isn't it amazing that when we learn something, we see new doors of opportunity open? And when we fail or do not study, do not learn anything new, we don't see those doors. Why is that? Now, don't be sad or confused about it, because the answer is very simple. I think it's because, with all sincerity, I think it's because we haven't learned that new skill. We haven't gained confidence in what we're after. Because the Bible says this, with all thy getting, getteth understanding. Many times we don't get understanding, so we don't even know the value of what we have. We go through the motions, absolutely, but usually those motions are ingrained habits, i.e. automatic pilot. And all of a sudden, when you read something, when you learn something new, you have more fuel. In fact, you have this rocket fuel that pushes you forward, and those doors of opportunity all of a sudden appear. What am I trying to put across to you? I'm putting across to you this: study, learn something new, because that newness will generate new creativity, new POV, point of view, new perspective. And then you'll get the results that you want. If you need a coach, I may be the one for you. DavidThompsonCoaching.co. DavidThompsonCoaching.co. Like, subscribe, and share. And remember, adjust your POV. You'll see those doors start to open.